Artificial intelligence is no longer a future concept. It's already changing how we work, earn, and live. Experts predict that millions of jobs may disappear in the next decade. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Repetitive and rule-based jobs are the first targets. Data entry operators, call center agents, basic accounting, and simple content writing are already being automated. Every major technology revolution has destroyed jobs, but it has also created new ones. AI is creating demand for new roles. AI trainers, prompt engineers, data analysts, automation experts, and creative strategists are more valuable than ever. AI lacks emotions, critical thinking, and human creativity. Skills like problem solving, communication, leadership, and innovation will always remain human. The future doesn't belong to people who fear AI. It belongs to those who learn how to use it. Start small, learn AI tools, upgrade your skills. Because in the future, AI won't replace humans. Humans using AI will replace humans who don't. The question is not whether AI will change your career. The question is, are you ready?